Wooden table designs. A timeless and elegant piece of furniture. Wooden table designs have been a staple of interior decor for centuries, offering a timeless and elegant piece of furniture that can add warmth, character, and sophistication to any room. From rustic and natural to modern and sleek, wooden table designs can be tailored to suit various styles and themes. The natural beauty of wood, combined with the versatility of design, makes wooden tables a popular choice for dining rooms, living rooms, and offices. Whether it's a traditional wooden dining table or a modern coffee table, wooden table designs can be crafted to fit specific needs and preferences. Types of wooden table designs. Rustic wooden tables. Rustic wooden tables feature a distressed or weathered finish, adding a touch of warmth and character to any room. Modern wooden tables. Modern wooden tables feature clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on functionality, making them a popular choice for contemporary homes. Traditional wooden tables. Traditional wooden tables feature classic designs and ornate details, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. Reclaimed wood tables. Reclaimed wood tables feature wood that has been salvaged from old buildings, barns, or trees, adding a unique and sustainable touch to any room. Design considerations. Wood type. The type of wood used can greatly impact the overall look and feel of the table. Consider factors such as grain pattern, color, and durability when selecting wood. Shape and size. The shape and size of the table should be carefully considered to ensure it fits comfortably in the room and meets specific needs. Legs and base. The legs and base of the table can greatly impact the overall design. Consider using a traditional or modern design, depending on the style and theme of the room. Finish. The finish of the wood can also impact the overall design. Dear friends, I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Remember to share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon.